Bits Credit Card Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how crypto credit cards have evolved in 2025. The Bits credit card offers crypto rewards, contactless payments, and unique perks, but is it really worth it? The surprising truth is flexibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming crypto cards only reward Bitcoin. With Bits, you can earn multiple cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Euro, and stablecoins, with rewards instantly convertible to cash or other coins. One major advantage is convenience. You won't believe what happens next when you see instant wallet integration, low foreign transaction fees, and mobile app management. You can track rewards, make payments, and exchange crypto all in one platform. The card also prioritizes security with biometric verification, real-time alerts, and insurance for digital wallets. Educational resources guide users through fees, rewards, and market volatility. However, there are cons. Annual fees apply, and crypto value can fluctuate, affecting reward worth. Not all merchants accept crypto directly, requiring conversions. Rewards rates may be lower than traditional cashback cards in some categories. In conclusion, the Bits credit card in 2025 is great for tech-savvy users seeking crypto rewards. While volatility and fees are considerations, flexibility, security, and multiple coin options make it a strong choice for everyday spending and crypto engagement.